Welcome to NexTechie Autonova, The Brief, your weekly pulse on next-gen mobility systems and autonomous machines. Let's get rolling.
This is the brief on autonomous mobility systems. So, the whole autonomous sector, it isn't just theory anymore. It's really hitting commercial reality across air, land, and sea. And what we're seeing now is a big shift towards custom AI, new silicon, and some really aggressive global deployments. First up, generative AI is having a huge near-term economic impact by transforming industrial drones, and we're talking way beyond just snapping pictures. This AI offers both diagnosis and prescription. It can spot tiny details like early bearing wear and then automatically create a work order. This moves us from reactive to truly predictive maintenance. And the key is edge AI, meaning the drone makes these smart calls on its own, instantly, even without a cell signal. Second, on land, the race is all about controlling the whole tech stack. Rivian just made a huge move here, unveiling its own custom chip, the Rivian Autonomy processor, or RAP1. It's built specifically for vision-based AI, giving them total control. This is all to power their Autonomy Plus subscription service, which is set to launch in 2026, with hands-free driving on over 3.5 million miles of North American roads. And finally, let's go underwater. For defense, India's DRDO is deploying new autonomous underwater vehicles, basically mobile undersea robots. They use deep learning to find and neutralize naval mines, all on their own, which is a huge deal for safety. And then for science, the Red Wing autonomous glider just started a 5-year mission to circle the globe, collecting real-time ocean data to improve our climate models. So from predictive drones to custom silicon and deep-sea robots, the future of mobility is here, driven by intelligent systems scaling across every single domain.
This was NexTechie Autonova, The Brief, just a brief overview. Upgrade your subscription to access the full newsletter and our detailed explainer video.